Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fold your Honda HR-V back seat. First, ensure the front seats are moved forward as much as possible to create ample space. Next, remove any personal items or debris from the rear seat area to prevent damage or obstruction. Finally, confirm that all seat belts are unbuckled and positioned clear of the seat's folding mechanism. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy process. Now let's lift the seat bottoms. Look for the small fabric strap or loop located at the front edge of each rear seat bottom. Give this strap a firm pull upwards to release the seat from its locked position. Once released, pivot the entire seat bottom vertically, resting it against the back of the front seats. This action creates a flat floor for the next step. With the seat bottoms up, it's time to lower the seat backs. Locate the release lever, typically found on the outer shoulder of each rear seat back. Pull this lever firmly to disengage the lock. Once unlocked, gently push the seat back downwards. Continue pushing until it lies completely flat, creating a continuous level surface with the cargo area. Repeat this for both sides. Congratulations! You've successfully folded your Honda HR-V's rear seats, revealing a significantly increased cargo area. This flat, expansive space is perfect for transporting larger items, from furniture to sports equipment, making your HR-V incredibly versatile. Loading and unloading bulky objects becomes much easier with this configuration. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your newly maximized cargo capacity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.